Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Movers Waldorf, local and long distance, movers near me. Moving a long distance from is an intimidating prospect. There's a lot of stuff you need to plan in advance of the move date. The last thing you want to worry about is hiring unreliable movers who don't show up on time or don't show up at all. So don't take that risk with the inexperienced packing and moving team. When you hire 3 movers, you'll be working with one of the best long-distance moving companies in Waldorf, MD. We've helped hundreds of clients in Waldorf and Maryland move to their new homes with less stress and at reasonable rates. Get a quote now to get started. Moving to a new condo or apartment? Are you a proud new homeowner ready to move into your new home? Moving to get closer to work or school? Whatever the reason may be, 3 Movers is ready to help with the local move in Waldorf. We have the manpower, tools, and vehicles to relocate any size home in Waldorf at competitive local prices and with complete transparency on all costs. If you need assistance moving, don't hesitate to contact our reasonably priced Waldorf movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Movers Waldorf moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.